My channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time after pandemic. As soon as this breakout zone happened, you can call it a narrow pattern. As soon as this breakout happens, we have seen a fall. After that, it made a low of around 17.5. Keep this in mind for the future also, that if the price comes close to this particular level, or if it started falling below a level of 20, chances of touching a level of 17.5 is on a higher scale. Okay, after that it moves upside. Again, it was moving in the zone. You can see that as soon as the sharp fall is coming when there is a range. Okay, as soon as the range is breaking, this is how silver is moving. Now there is a continuous upside we have seen. Now there is a higher chances because we have seen this level is after a month, you can say around 8 weeks happened that this level we have not seen. So chances will be on a higher scale that there is a probability it can touch $25, and then from it a further upside movement we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see how the price of silver can move. See, it was a pattern forming, as I've already explained you. See, it was a pattern forming. As soon as this pattern breaks, there is a higher probability it will go further upside, and probability of touching 25 is on a higher scale, higher probability. Okay, now see, because if you look at this particular trend, this is the range where the price of silver was moving for quite some time. So now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, there is a higher chances it will go further upside. So let's see if the price sustain. We can see it can go towards its next resistance at a level of $24.2438, and if it started going up that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 25. Once the price started sustaining up 25, a further upside we can see towards a level of $20. Okay, and once started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $25.297. Two levels. Okay, and once started going above this particular level, a further upside we can see towards a level of $25.697, and if it started going up that level, a further high. Again, I repeat, you have to understand, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go further upside towards a level of $24.483, and started going up that level, we can see it will touch a level of $24.932. If started going up this particular level, it will cross a level of around $25.023, and from there to a level of around $25.251. Okay, and once started going up this level, we can see it will go further upside because there will be a zone breakout will happen, and a probability of going towards 25.902 will be there. And then keep it in mind that as soon as it touches a level of 25.902, it will cross a level of $26, and it will go to a level of $26.238. These two levels you have to understand. So once started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see because there is a range breakout will happen, and then it will go further high. You have to understand all these supports and resistance where a profit booking comes or a bounce back comes. So this is the level where you can book your profit or you can trail your SL. This is very important. Now, as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will move as per you, it will not. You have to understand that market will only move there is a big news coming or a breakout happening, or you can see looking at this chart. So always understand, you have to trail your SL. This is the first thing you have to do. Second thing, you have to put your SL, so it will save your capital, and trailing your SL will save your profit. These two things. Suppose if the price didn't sustain. Okay, so what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will come towards a level of $24, which is a strong support. If started going below this level, we can see it will come down towards a level of $23.695. Okay, and started going below this particular level, we will see it will come further down towards a level of around $23.395. Okay, and once the price moving below a level of 23.395, chances of touching a level of 22.848 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 22.193. Keep this in mind because there is a higher chances that as soon as started moving below a level of $22.848, chances of touching a level of around further down we can see towards 22.478, and from there a probability of touching 22.193. As soon as started moving below this level, a chances of touching a level of 21.983 is there, and from there a probability of touching a level of 21.683. Okay, so once started moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see, and from there we can see a level of 21.247, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 20.712. Again, I repeat, you have to understand, as soon as started moving below a level of around 23.695, a probability of touching 23.395 will be there, and from there a level of 22.848. Once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 22.193, and from there a level of 21.873. Okay, and then there will be a clear pattern forming showing where it can go. It will go towards a level of 21.557, and from there a probability going towards 20.712. Falling below this level, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or Govind, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.